Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na ka Seng Congress na ka bynta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
MP ke Seng Kongres na kejala Assam Gaurav Gogoi hak arpu terik urempang arhajar arpulai ulong baga BJP kamla ban kentat ni thet keti menta bakam dan ni bentalang hakikam bamsap ki baja ha Meghalaya. Namar borok kitip baga BJP keladan naduk basdang hak bantau ke sorkar MDA ha Meghalaya. Gaurav Gogoi ulong banamar balalong ke election ke BJP kamla berkena tek tang ya ke Seng NPP halor kejing bamlarkam ke sorkar MDA ban ajing syakri upat ba ke jela. Namar ke BJP ru keladan lang ha ke sorkar MDA bat arngut ki MLA ke BJP ke bagentup yu ba sanbor sulai bat uba AL hek kilalong ki menteri sorkar. Ulong bagi BJP ke depan sangat sendon ke jeng drama bani lambak lagi pat ba ke Meghalaya namar nadu ke sini ke beningkong ke BJP keladon lang ha ke sorkar MDA rengkat bat kiwei pat ke Seng san pertai ke jela bat kini barok kidan ketilang hakikam bamsap ke belajar ha Meghalaya. Ulong baborok kitip kumno lathaw ke sorkar ha Meghalaya bagi BJP keladon ke bentar ke bakrau bat barok kitip ke jeng dai ke bayajan ha pedang Uhimanta Biswa Sarma bat ukonrat kongkal sangma bat kumno la penelong yau Konrad Kongkal Sangma kumu menteri rangba ke Meghalaya. Kumta menta Uhimanta Biswa Sarma umla asyuk bantat keti la dia baka BJP bat kibai pat kiseng san pertai ke badan haki MDA bagi dia ke badan keti lang haki kam bamsap naduk kejing kalem kadom jongking dorbar tawan kejela ke badang sna kejing bamsap naga kalam COVID-19 kejing bamsap lengba ke so bahagia skim bat kibai-kibai. Gogoi ulong bagi BJP keras penankam yu Konrad Kongkal Sangma kumu papet hakini kisan senam ki belalet no bat menta haba kam dan kam syu yu kala kenjat no yu syarut bat menteri rang ba ka Assam ru udai ubah susyak peniat Jawa Amit Shah na Delhi. Hakawai pat kaliang Gaurav Gogoi ulepen pau bah kejing sengu Shmet Jong lara ke Seng Kongres kawan hakabor MP kejela uba Vincent H Pala ude mencimti ya kesuki menteri rang ba kejela banela Meghalaya. Bat ulong bagani kadai tang kejing sengu kejong bat ke Seng Kongres kampat rai bau ba Vincent H Pala undang menteri rang ba kejela lara ke Kongres kawan ndrai on ie bet kejing start jong ki MLA ke Seng banjit ya unong yalam.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na ka Seng Congress na ka bynta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Told the people there that of all the things that they can expect once the Congress government is formed and Vincent Balaji becomes the Chief Minister. And we got great response to the promise of 3,000 rupees per month to the mothers who are from BPL families. A great response to free education for the girl child from KG to PG, and a great response to giving cylinders, because we were asking people in the crowd, what is the price that they pay, and they said that they pay 1,500 rupees. Now can you imagine, right there, in a very remote part of Meghalaya, people have to pay 1,500 rupees, where will they get the cash from? And therefore when we asked them, so how many of you are using gas cylinders? Nobody raised their hand. Most of them said, no, we cook using firewood. Because how can you afford, because you see suppose if you take a 14 kg cylinder, you need to refill it at least twice in a month. Right, so if you 2 times into 1,500, that's 3,000 per month. Now, where are you going to get that? Given the state of economy and the state of unemployment and inflation. So when Congress Party announced in that meeting that we are planning to give, 4 cylinders free in a year, I think there's a lot of relief. It goes a long way in reducing the burden on these families. These news. But it's for them to clarify. As I said, BJP will take anybody. BJP is like a washing machine. They will take anybody. In Jammu Kashmir to form the government, they took PDP. But also understand, BJP is a party which uses and throws. They used NPP to become part of the government and to go back to Delhi and say it is my government and
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na ka Seng Congress na ka bynta ka 5 star